अगर आप भी जर्नलिंग ट्राई करना चाहते हैं पर समझ नहीं आ रहा लिखे क्या जर्नल में, शुरू कहाँ से करें, then let me tell you, you've landed on the right video. In this video, I will help you get started with journaling with a very simple and basic exercise called the brain dump. I'll share with you what brain dump is, why you should do it, and I will real time do this exercise with you. Hi, I'm Akanksha and welcome back to my channel. I am a mindful journaling expert and trainer और अपनी workshops और courses में I teach people how to use writing and journaling to better handle one's mind, discover oneself and also build a positive mindset. To know more about my offerings, check out my website. The link is in description below. And also consider subscribing to my channel for more content on journaling, mindful living and self-care. So with the journal and a pen, let's get started. So brain dump journaling, as the name suggests, is about dumping whatever we have on our mind and in our brain down on paper. To do this exercise, I want you to pick up 1 or 2 or 3 topics that are pertinently on your mind and something that you've been overthinking about. I'm sure जैसे ही मैंने ये बोला already कुछ topics आपके मन में उठ गए होंगे. What we're going to do is set a 10-minute timer, and in this time window, write down all your thoughts and feelings that are coming up related to the topics that are on your mind down on paper. आपको overthink नहीं करना, judge नहीं करना, contemplate नहीं करना. Simply जो भी आपके thoughts and feelings हैं unfiltered, all of that you have to just put down on paper. In context of how you are supposed to do the brain dump journaling, few things to remember are that आप किस language में लिख रहे हैं इससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आप किसी भी language में अपनी journaling कर सकते हैं. दूसरी चीज, again, it's not a blog post, it's not an Instagram post और ये कोई exam या टेस्ट नहीं है. बिल्कुल कंफर्टेबल फील करें, जैसे एकदम फ्लो बैठ रहा है, जो भी मन में आ रहा है अनफिल्टर्ड होकर उसको लिखें. As long as you're able to just express yourself honestly, that's good to go. Talking about honesty, something that stops us from being honest and vulnerable in our journaling is कि हमें लगता है अरे कोई पढ़ लेगा तो, किसी ने देख लिया तो हमने जो भी लिखा है. तो बात तो सही है, आप नहीं चाहते और मैं भी नहीं चाहती कि जो भी आप लिख रहे हैं कोई पढ़े. तो इसके लिए 2-3 सॉल्यूशंस हैं. तो पहला सॉल्यूशन तो है कि you can just tell your loved ones to give you privacy and not to read your journal. पर अगर आपको लगता है उनकी क्यूरोसिटी ज़्यादा है और वो चाहेंगे एक्चुअली पढ़ना, तो आप या तो डिजिटल जर्नलिंग कर सकते हैं, किसी ऐप में लिख सकते हैं, फ़ोन नोट्स में लिख सकते हैं जिस पर लॉक लगा सकें, या फिर इस पर्टिकुलर एक्सरसाइज के बाद आप फाड़ के फेंक सकते हैं पेपर को. पर जब आप जर्नलिंग कर रहे हैं तब बहुत ज़रूरी है आप कंफर्टेबल होकर अपनी प्राइवेसी में जो मन में आए लिखें, क्योंकि अगर आप यही सोच के लिखेंगे ये कोई पढ़ लेगा तो आप ऑनेस्ट और वल्नरेबल नहीं हो पाएंगे, तो फिर कोई फ़ायदा ही नहीं है ये एक्सरसाइज करने का. या सो जस्ट मेक श्योर you are sure about the privacy of your journals. And finally, why should you do this exercise? Research tells us that when we convert our abstract thoughts and feelings into words, basically when we verbalize our experiences, our thoughts and feelings become more tangible, right? And now they've become words on paper, तो वो ज़्यादा accessible हो जाते हैं. Also, we are able to comprehend and understand our experiences better when we write them down. The emotional intensity of our experiences also settles. आपने notice किया होगा जब आप upset होते हैं और then you come to a loved one, talk about this particular experience, you feel much more calmer. This is the power of converting your experiences into language, and that's why journaling helps. The final benefit of brain dump is that it also helps you let go of things. Otherwise आपकी memory में फंस के रहती हैं चीज़ें, फिर आप overthink करते रहते हैं, ruminate करते रहते हैं. तो जब आप लिख देते हो, कुछ अपने system से निकाल देते हो, it kind of degrades in your memory and you're able to relax and be more in the present moment. So with that, let's start the exercise for today. Make sure you have a pen and paper with you, and we're going to do this exercise together. Start writing and pouring down all your thoughts and feelings that are there on your mind, bothering you, stressing you, or just concerning you about any topics that you've been thinking about. And finally, before you start writing, make sure you have your privacy. ये एक emotional experience है, especially अगर आप पहली बार journaling कर सकते हैं. हो सकता है थोड़े से waterworks हो, आप emotional हो जाएं, तो एक प्राइवेट सेफ स्पेस होना जरूरी है आपकी एक्सरसाइज के लिए. सो आई एम पुटिंग अ 10-minute टाइमर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट राइटिंग टुगेदर. All right, let's come back. I hope ये exercise आपके लिए fruitful थी and अच्छा रहा आपका experience. Either way, I would love to know from you. How was your writing experience with this journaling exercise? अगर आपके पास कोई सवाल हैं, कुछ concerns हैं, make sure you put your experience or questions in the comment section below this video. I would love to read them, know how this exercise worked for you or helped you or not. If you found this journaling exercise helpful, I would invite you to check out my Mindful Journaling Mastery course. It's a pre-recorded, self-paced course with lifetime access. It's got 30 plus journaling exercises with step-by-step guidance from my site. If you choose to sign up using the link in the description, you also get bonuses, which includes the Ultimate Mindful Journaling Guidebook and WhatsApp guidance from my site. That's all in today's video. If you found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content on journaling, mindful living and self-care. And until I see you next week with a new video, keep smiling, stay joyful and remember to make your life a celebration. I love you. Bye.